Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're on a 2024 195 Scout Dorado, 195 Sport Dorado. This is a very versatile boat because it's not just a great fishing boat, but it's a great family boat, and you can tell by the amount of seating, nice lounge seat, bow seats in this boat. So again, lots of seating, really versatile for a 19-footer. Separate anchor locker up in the front. And I mentioned the bow seating. This has got a really big bow cushion up here. Two really big lounge seats for a 19-footer. You just don't see lounge seats like this in a 19-footer. Little bit of storage back behind those. Very comfortable, nice soft cushions on there. You've got some comfortable grab rails all around in the boat like this, so you've always got somewhere to hold on to. Captain's chairs, port and starboard side, and then two jump seats in the back of the boat. Powered by super reliable Mercury outboards, very quiet. You need to come test ride one of these boats with the Mercury outboard and see how quiet they are. This has got the tilt steering wheel on it, bimini top, Garmin GPS multifunction display with your fish finder. It's all built in right there. This is a new arrival at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Give me a call on my cell phone if you want to test ride, 904-625-6146.